Not the bayang. The bayang. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, boo. The bayang is here to stay. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'm so lit because of this wig. Before I get too lit, let me give a huge shout out to Vivi Babi for sending over this beautiful 20-inch silky straight bayanged unit. Yes, she cute, y'all. Now, she came out silky straight, but I washed her and let her air dry, and that is the texture, or rather the wave pattern you get. We got 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and we got 1 up at the top of the head. Yeah, I'm excited. Y'all excited? Let's. Oh, wait a minute. Y'all wasn't ready for that. And by the looks of it, I wasn't either. Much better, sis. Much better. All right, so I had to whip out my wax stick because I was seeing a whole lot of little flyaways, so I had to tame the mugs. But it was at this point when she knew she effed up, because your girl went crazy with the wax stick. A little goes a long way. Take my word for it. Okay, so like I said earlier, I let the wig air dry, and it dried in this really, to me, I think it's a really pretty curl pattern. It's like a loose body wave. I really, honestly could have just bumped the bangs and went on about my business. But you know your girl gotta be extra. Anyone else out there wish the magic of YouTube existed in real life? You know what I'm saying? Man, I'd be on time for work every day. Every day. You know, just go outside and zoom my camera in real close to my head, like, and then when I zoom out, pow, I'm at work. Wouldn't that be awesome? Gosh. But yeah, that doesn't exist. All right, anyway. Yeah, so I'm obsessing, y'all, right now. At this point, I'm obsessing over the bangs. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing easy in my world. I'm extra. So, yeah, I obsessed. And I continue to obsess. And I know y'all see that big old black wig cap underneath this wig, and it's a method to my madness. The reason it's down that far is because God blessed me with a 2 head. Okay, so when I wear banged units, if I don't pull the wig back, the bangs would literally be in my mouth. Like, I have no forehead. So that's why I have that black cap pulled all the way down there, so it, you know, it just helps it blend better. Y'all don't want to see it with the cap where it's supposed to be. Yeah, y'all don't want to see that. Which takes me into what would be a con for me, but not necessarily for everybody else, is the density of the wig. Y'all know me, big hair, don't curl every day, all day. What? Gang, yes. And this wig has a very natural density. So, like I said, I would prefer a thicker bang if I was gonna wear a bang. So that's probably like one of 2 cons, because there weren't many cons to this wig. The only other con that I have is that right there. Right there. Do y'all see that? Yeah, it's little short hairs. Yeah, through the wig. So that's the only other con. And look at that. Wax stick. That time I ain't used too much. I did use too much hair in my flat iron, but I didn't use too much wax in the hair that time. And it's an easy fix. You just put some wax in it and you bump it. You put some heat to it. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Done. Problem solved. Con solved. Y'all, honestly, this wig is big head friendly. It is small head friendly because it has a band sewn into the cap. It is 100% Brazilian virgin grade 9A human hair. It's really a dope unit though, y'all. Like, no shedding, no tangling. Other than me obsessing over the bangs, it's really a straightforward wig. Super easy and super affordable. I done took all that time to do one half of my head and still got the other half. Oh, look at there. More YouTube magic. Now that's what I'm talking about. I so wish that would work in my everyday life, but only on YouTube. So all in all, I am not a BAYANG, gay-yang type of girl, but maybe you are. Maybe you are. If you are, sis, check Vivi Babi out. I'm gonna make sure to leave a link to their website in my description box. A link to their direct store will be down there. So y'all make sure you open up the description box. Check out the links down there. I got some goodies for y'all. They got me cheesing, y'all. They got me cheesing. I'm sure they'll have you cheesing too, sis. And they have many options of wigs. So make sure y'all open the description box. Check Vivi Babi out. And may God continue to keep y'all, cover y'all, and bring y'all back to me. Love y'all.